Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pallet jack wheels is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of warehouse efficiency. But when those wheels start to crack, chip, or simply wear down, your productivity takes a nosedive. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of pallet jack wheel replacement, exploring the best options to keep your operations running smoothly and safely. Get ready to discover how the right wheels can make all the difference. Number 5. Pallet Jack Steering Wheel Set with Tool Kit. Introducing the Pallet Jack Steering Wheel Set. This set includes wheels, axles, fasteners, and protective caps, everything you need for your pallet jack. The set comes with a heavy-duty tool kit. It includes snap ring pliers, pin punch, lubrication grease, and a pins holder, making installation straightforward. These wheels are designed to protect your floors. They won't leave marks and prevent damage, perfect for various environments. Crafted from high-grade red polyurethane, the wheels offer exceptional durability. They are built for long-lasting, smooth performance. The wheels are 7x2 with pre-installed bearings. The inner diameter is 20 mm, ensuring a perfect fit for your pallet jack. These wheels are built to handle heavy loads. They have a load capacity of 5,500 pounds, making them suitable for heavy-duty applications. What we like. This set comes with a complete tool installation kit, making replacement a breeze. It also features non-marking wheels, protecting your floors from damage. If you're looking for a heavy-duty solution with everything you need right out of the box, you should consider this one. What people say. It works so well that I'm going to change the others even though ID0NT need it. This replacement part for our pallet jack was very easy to install, fit as expected and is working great. This kit was amazing, it was just what I needed and everything fit perfectly and was pretty straightforward to install, and the quality was to OEM specs. Number 4. Pallet Jack Wheels Set with Axles and Rollers. Are your pallet jack wheels worn out? This replacement set is exactly what you need. It includes everything for a quick and easy fix. This full set comes with axles, ensuring a complete replacement solution. This makes the installation process straightforward and efficient. The set also includes entry-exit rollers. These rollers help to smoothly transition the pallet jack over uneven surfaces. The wheels are sized at 3x3.75 and come with 20 mm ID bearings. This ensures a perfect fit and smooth operation. Featuring a durable poly tread in red, this set is designed for long-lasting performance. It's a grade A replacement, built to withstand heavy use. What we like. These load wheels are built with poly-on steel construction for long-lasting durability. The red grade A material ensures reliable performance in various environments. If you need a dependable and robust solution for your pallet jack, this is a great choice. What people say. Easy to switch out, really rolls smoothly. A perfect fit for my pallet jack, were easy to install. Good quality and easy installation. Number 3. Pallet Jack Wheels Full Set with Axles. Are your pallet jack wheels worn out? This full set of replacement wheels is the perfect solution. It will get your pallet jack rolling smoothly again. These wheels feature a durable polyurethane tread. This material is designed to withstand heavy loads and provide long-lasting performance. The set includes axles and entry-exit rollers. This ensures a complete and easy installation process. You'll have everything you need to get the job done. The wheels have a 20 mm inner diameter bearing. This design ensures smooth and efficient operation, even under heavy loads. It will make your work easier. These wheels are made of black poly-on steel, grade A. They are built to last and provide excellent performance. It's a reliable choice for your pallet jack. What we like. These load wheels are built with poly-on steel construction for long-lasting durability. The black grade A material ensures reliable performance in various environments. If you need a dependable and robust solution for your pallet jack, this is a great choice. What people say. The wheels were a perfect fit and easy to install. The product is exactly what I needed to get my pallet jack back in service. Great product, good quality, and fast shipping. Number 2. Lyplus Pallet Jack Load Wheel Set, 2 PCS. Introducing the brand new Lyplus Pallet Jack Load Wheels. This set includes a pair of wheels designed for smooth and efficient operation. They are perfect for replacing worn or broken wheels on your pallet jack. These wheels feature entry-exit rollers for quick and easy in and out operation. They are adaptable to various pallet trucks and transport trolleys, making them a versatile choice. This design helps to improve your work efficiency. The wheels are made of high-quality polyurethane, ensuring high resistance and durability. They are non-marring, meaning they won't leave marks on your surfaces. This feature helps to protect your floors. Each wheel measures 3 in diameter and 3.75 in width. They come with 20 mm inner diameter bearings. The axle diameter is 3/4 inch. These wheels are the ideal replacement for your pallet jack wheels. If yours are worn or broken, these will get you back up and running. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It includes an entry-exit roller pair for smooth operation. The non-marring wheels ensure your floors stay pristine. If you like smooth and quick in and out operation, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The wheels fit perfectly and were easy to install. The product is exactly what I needed to get my pallet jack back in service. These wheels are a direct replacement and work great. Number 1. Pallet Jack 7 Steering Wheel Set. Is your pallet jack steering wheel worn out? These replacement wheels are designed to get it rolling smoothly again. They are a perfect fit for most pallet trucks. These wheels are made with high-quality polyurethane. This material provides excellent resistance and durability, ensuring a long lifespan for the wheels. The wheels feature an internal reinforced iron structure. This design allows for smoother rotation, making it easier to maneuver your pallet jack. The bearings are made of steel. Worried about floor damage? These non-marring wheels leave no marks on your surfaces. They are ideal for use in various environments. Replacing your old wheels is simple. These wheels come with all the necessary fasteners and protective caps. Get your pallet jack back in action quickly. What we like. This set features high-quality polyurethane wheels for smooth rotation. The reinforced iron structure enhances durability. If you are looking for a reliable and floor-friendly solution, you should consider this one. What people say. The wheels fit perfectly and were easy to install. The product is exactly as described and works great. These wheels are a perfect fit and work great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.